I just got off the phone with my daughter who's away at college, and my daughter told me that she's going to be training for the half marathon in about 3 months. But she also wants to do a resistance training routine along with all the running. So in this video, let's go over the exact resistance training routine I gave her that's going to supplement the running program that she's going to be following. So what I'd like her to do is to do about 15-20 minutes of resistance training 5 days per week. I'd like her to do lower body one day, then upper body and core the next day. So for example, week 1, she would train lower body 3 days a week, upper body and core twice. But then week 2, I'd like her to flip it, meaning do upper body and core 3 times in the week and lower body twice. I wanted to keep the repetitions on the high side, anywhere between 15 to 20 repetitions. I'd like her to use like a medium rep cadence tempo, meaning maybe 1 second up, 2 seconds down, so a 3-second repetition. And I only want her to do 1 set per exercise, relatively hard, maybe 80-85% intensity. I don't want her to overdo it and take away from her running. So let's first go over her lower body routine. Now I know she has some light dumbbells at school. She has like 5, 7.5s, and 10s. And then she also has these resistance bands, which I really love. See, there's an anchor here, which you close it in a doorway, and you can do so many different things with these resistance bands. Now, any exercise that I mention here, if you're not sure how to do the technique of the form, just look it up on YouTube. I also have a whole bunch of these exercises on my YouTube channel. So let's go over the lower body routine. First off, I want her to warm up. I want her to increase her core body temperature. I like her to do about 25 to 50 jumping jacks. And if you didn't know who invented the jumping jack, was actually Jack LaLanne. You know, he's one of my heroes when it comes to the fitness world. So first you're gonna warm up with some jumping jacks. Then I want her to grab some light dumbbells, maybe 7.5s or 10s, and just do 15 to 20 repetitions of a full body squat, a little below 90 degrees in good form. Then I like her to do also 1 set of lunges, maybe at first only body weight. As she gets stronger, maybe hold some dumbbells. Then I like her to do like one-legged RDLs. If you're not sure what that is, look that exercise up. It's an incredible exercise. Great for hamstring strength, great for balance. Then I like her to do a goblet squat where you hold the dumbbell here, legs out, you know, turn out, hit the adductors, hit the inner thighs and the glutes. Then I like her to go on the ground, maybe do some bridges for glutes and hamstrings. She also has those bands that you can put around your ankles. I like her to do some sideways walking, good for upper glute muscles. Then I want her to do a couple of different sets for calves, maybe 1 set with her knees completely straight, then slightly bend her knees, do another set of calf raises. That should take her 15-20 minutes. Great lower body workout that could supplement her running. So now let's go over the upper body and core routine. I first like her to warm up once again with those jumping jacks, 25 to 50 jumping jacks. Then I like her to do 1 nice set of push-ups. If she's not strong enough to do the push-ups off her toes, she can do them off her knees, or she can even do them off a countertop. Then I like her to do the antagonistic movement, which is the seated row. Anchor this, do your seated rows. Once again, keep the repetitions high, 15-20 repetitions. Then I like her to take her dumbbells, do 1 set of shoulder presses, 1 set of lateral raises, 1 set of bicep curls, and then 1 set of lying tricep extensions. Really simple, straightforward upper body routine. Then I like her to move to the core, do a set of front planks, do a set of rolling side planks. Look that up. I have a great video on the rolling plank on my YouTube channel. Then I like to do a bicycle with a little bit of an elbow twist and some leg lifts. This is a perfect upper body core routine, and she should just keep on repeating this. But I also told her that if there's any day where you're doing like a hard running workout, just skip a day when it comes to the resistance training. Like, don't do your resistance training if you're exhausted. But 15-20 minutes 5 days a week, I think will be ideal. So if you're training for a marathon or a half marathon and you want a really simple resistance training program to go along with it, give this program a try. And if you want to learn more about how to get in just amazing shape, check out this video.